Best regards. On this occasion, I will talk about my magazine, presented by Magda Zulay Leon Maecha, Big Green. We must reflect on our environmental impact and take action to protect our planet. If we all take responsibility for our actions, we can create a more harmonious future for everyone. After all, we only have one planet to live on, and it is our duty and time to raise awareness of the need to take care of it. Small actions of my part, while large government initiative police are essential to address climate change and environmental degradation. We should not underestimate the power of small individual actions. In my daily life, I take small um, action to make a difference, including I use bicycles as a means to transportation and to save water and reuse the water from the washing machines and save energy at home, recycle and reuse materials, and as much as possible consume ecological products. Into I try to plant trees and always take care of them. Mm, I, everyone actions. If we recycle more, if we all save water, if we invest there in renewable energy, if we use it reusable bags. Thank you very much. Remember, our planet is our home. Let's care for it as such. Thank you.